Hello student, welcome back in this lecture. In this lecture, I will discuss how you can extract the data from log file as well as data from str file. After extracting the data, how you can plot it on origin. So first of all, I will discuss about drain current. So how you can extract it, I will discuss that. So first we will change in logarithmic format. This is our current versus gate voltage. So here first of all go to file, click on export, select Tonyplot user data, select display only, and here we can extract. You can select folder whatever we want to select. ID. Now your export is succeeded. Now go back to your data, back to your data. So here this is the data which recently I extracted. Now this is not open. It's not easy open. So how you can open this data of drain current? First open your Excel file. Open your Excel file. Now select a new folder. Now go to file, click on OK. Now select your go to folder where you have extracted your data. Download. Here you have to select all files. Now here this is your data. Just open it. Now you can check here. Here there are two options. Choose file type. We have to use delimited. Okay, not fixed with. Here you have to the select import row. Select 4 always. Okay. Now click on next. Also you have to click on space. Now next and finish. Now here you can see you have data. You can see the X data and Y data. This is the voltage and this is the current. Now you can plot this on origin. How you can plot? Just copy this, open origin, first. Now here you can check there is a X column and Y column. Just paste here. But this one first one is first data you can check is this is current, this is Y column is voltage. This is not a way. We have to put the current on Y column and put the voltage on X column. You can just cut paste also can do manually. There is one option also, right click, select all, right click and swap columns. Just swap it. But here we have to change set the X and Y. This is column is actually Y. So we have to set as X and this we have to set as Y because this is current value. Now we have to just select all, go to plot, symbol line symbol, just click on. This is the current actually we have got. This is the raw graph. We have to just uh, decorate this according to your requirement. This is linear current versus gate voltage. You can write here drain current or either ID drain current. Just select drain current, ampere per micrometer. So first change into times in Roman, then select micro. Otherwise, micro will converted to other symbol. Times Roman. Now here, where you want to put micro symbol, go put your cursor and press Control M. Now here you can check there is a micro. Just insert this. Now drain current per ampere per micrometer. We have found the current. Here write the gate voltage because this is your gate voltage. The unit of gate voltage is volt. Now we want to put this current into logarithmic form. So what we will do? Just double click on y-axis and go to type because we want to change this vertical value in logarithmic form. So we have to select vertical, not horizontal. Because at horizontal we have only voltage, so we don't want to put it horizontal in logarithmic form. So in vertical, type and log name. This is our current, what we want actually. So this is the, you can write here drain current if you want. You can also delete this because drain current already it is showing on y-axis, but still you can. Now here you can see check drain current is 1 e power minus 7 minus 8. We want to keep it, put it or we want to convert it to 10 to power. So what we will do, just double click and go to the tick table and go to display and convert in, click on scientific. Now here it converted. If you now we will what we will do, just want to close this graph, also want top and right axis. So double click, go to title and format. First top, we click on top, show axis and tick. Here we don't want any tick on top and right. So we will select none, just none. And thickness should be more because it is looking very thinner. So click on 3. I'm considering 3. You can select anyone, whatever you want. Now same for bottom. It's already selected. Only you have to change thickness 3. Now left, everything is okay. Only select thickness 3. Now right also not available. So we have to just tick on show axis and tick. Convert into 3 thickness and here also none because don't want any kind of tick. Just okay. Here you can say everything is changed. Now what we want, this number is showing very thinner, so we want to make it thicker. Always we want to convert into uh, times Roman. So go to the this value, go to change 24, also bold, and if you want change times Roman, just click on T, you will get times Roman. Just select it once more. I think two times, after two times selection it is converted times. Same here also, it is already times in Roman, but value this is very small, 24. Whatever you want to put, you can put according to your requirement. Also as well as here, same thing, 24 times in Roman, press T, times in Roman, two times you have to select times in Roman. Then you will convert it. And bold as well. Now same for gate voltage, 24 times in Roman. Okay, bold. Now this is the graph actually we have, we got it. Now same thing, we want to increase the thickness of this graph. So double click on graph, go to line and we want to change width 0.5 to 3. Symbol also you want to increase 9 to 12, whatever you want, you can do it. But I will generally put this value as 7. One more thing you can see, the line is non-touching on the symbol side. It is, we want to make it is continuous. So what we will do, just click, double click, go to drop line or label. Is there any symbol? Something, huh? There is a one thing, gap to the symbol. If you don't want any gap, just what you can do, just deselect this, press OK. Now it is continuous. If you want to change the color of line as well as symbol, what you will do, double click on that. Want to change the color line, individual color. Suppose I want to green, just green. Go to symbol. Actually symbol automatically it will take, because in here you can see, if there is a two graphs, then you have to change individually, but is single, that's why it automatically force me. So now press OK. Color has been changed. Now what gate voltage you are using for this graph, also put here. What conditions you are using for this value, getting this value, you can put here. All condition, VDS equal to 1 volt, thickness of the oxide as well, everything you can put here, so that your graph will be more understandable. So this is the way through which you can extract data from log file, and now and the way through which you can convert your data into the Excel format, and after that you can plot the graph on origin. Now how you can get this graph as an image, click on symbol, go to export graph and open dialog. Okay, now image type I want in TIFF. Okay, you can also extract in the format, other format like JPG, other format, but TIFF is good for general publication or in papers. It is good resolution. Put the name of this graph, drain current, where you want to save this graph. Also you can select that folder and want to save into the desktop. Even if you want change this other thing like resolution and anything, you can change image size, resolution DPI 300, you can change 600, 140. Otherwise you can teach common, no need to change anything else. So after this selection, just press OK. Now your image has been extracted from the origin to your folder where you have to select it. Now go to the that folder where you will check that or image drain current I have taken. So now this is not okay. I will go directly here, and here you can say drain current exported. This is the our graph actually what I plotted. Now you can check the resolution, very good resolution, not breaking anything. So this is the way through which you can extract data from origin. After that you can get data in Excel file, and after getting data Excel file, how you can put on origin and plot it according to our requirement. So this is the basic thing what you have got. So that's all for this video. Thanks all.